Dave from Redneck's Dirty Hands. I'm Pete, and today I got a little tip for you, tool tip. It's a tool that comes in pretty handy. Every redneck should have it. Alright, this is a shaft out of one of Ian's things for his lawn care or whatever. I think it's some sort of seed or something. I don't know. I do know that the threads on here, come on now, focus. Anyway, doesn't want to focus, but threads are good in the middle. Flatter than pissing a plate on the front and back. I don't know what he was doing there with that, but those are euchred, and I do not have a die or anything that size to like run on there and chase it. But a while ago, I picked up this kit. Can't really read it there. That's a 48-piece thread restoring kit. I think I got this from Mac Tools. The beauty part about these kits is if you don't have a die big enough to fit those, they have these handy dandy thread files which give you all the different pitches, different styles of threads. This one happens to be a 14. So basically all you do is you follow the path of the thread and you just keep working it around, filing. It'll follow it and restores it, and what you do is you just keep working it around. I've already done half of it there, and you can see how good it does at cleaning those threads up. Like, it's turned these ones almost like new again, right from flat to good to go. So all he's got to do is pick up a new nut to spin on there, and this thing will be good to go. So I enjoy this kit, use it quite often. It gets me out of some jams, so I thought it was a good idea to maybe show you a new tool if you don't have it, and if those of you that do have it probably know the value of it. So check it out.